In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail theme. If you want to have a different look of your Gmail account, what you can do is head over to the settings and then head over to see all settings. In the settings of Gmail, you'll be able to see the last option, which is themes. Click on set theme and it is going to show you all of the themes that you can enable. Apart from this, you can upload your own picture as well by heading over to my photos. Tap on photos and you'll be able to select any photos that you have uploaded. For now, let's just select the theme that is readily available. You can pick any theme that you like and then click on insert if you're selecting from the featured section, and then you can click on save. Other than this, there are a few other settings that you can manage, such as the text background or the blur option. So you can take a look at these settings and manage it however you like it, and then click on save. And there you go, as easy as that. Your theme now has been successfully changed inside of Gmail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.